Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain Hero MotoCorp Quarter 3 Financial 21 consolidated results. We'll discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Hero MotoCorp business depends on rural demand and seasonal. So, we'll give more importance to year-on-year than quarter-on-quarter. Here, rupees in crores. Year-on-year means we'll compare December 31st, 2020 results with December 31st, 2019 results. Quarter on quarter means we will compare December 20 results with September 20 results. Here revenue from operations. Previous year they got 7,074 crores. This year 9,827 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 38.9% year on year. This is very good figure. Later here we have other income. It was increased from 184 crores to 205 crores. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 4,785 crores. This year 7,020 crores. Here revenue from operations increased. Cost of material consumed also increased. Later change in inventories. Previous year 103 crores credited. This year 131 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 481 crores. This year 531 crores. Here approximately 50 crores was increased. We need to check the reason. That means here employee benefit expense was raised due to management salary or employee salary. Later finance cost. Previous year 11 crores. This year 10 crores. Here 1 crore was decreased. Here they are paying very less interest. That means they have zero debt or minimal debt. This is a positive point. Later depreciation. Previous year 210 crores. This year 179 crores. Later other expenses. Previous year 853 crores. This year 958 crores. What we understood based on revenues and expenses is the revenues was increased from 7,074 crores to 9,827 crores. Later cost of material consumed increased from 4,785 crores to 7,020 crores. Later employee benefit expense was increased from 481 crores to 531 crores, that is 50 crores. Later finance cost decreased from 11 crores to 10 crores. This is positive point. Later we will check EBITDA. Here profit from ordinary activities. Previous year 1019 crores. This year 1462 crores. We will check it in percentage. Here EBITDA was increased 43.4% year on year. This is very good figure. Later here profit or loss from associates. Previous year, Hero MotoCorp got 25 crores from associates. This year, 98 crores loss. Now, profit from ordinary activities. Previous year, 1044 crores. This year, 1363 crores. We don't have any exceptional items. So, profit before tax is previous year, 1044 crores. This year, 1363 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, profit before tax was increased 30.5% year on year. Here, EBITDA was increased 43%, but profit before tax is 30.5% only. Why means here they have loss from associates, that is 98 crores. Due to that one, here profit before tax was decreased. Later current tax. Last year they paid 179 crores. This year they paid 338 crores. Here current tax was doubled. Here total tax expense. Previous year they paid only 139 crores. This year 134 crores. Approximately they paid 190 crores extra tax. Due to this one, net profit was decreased. Later net profit after tax. Previous year 905 crores. This year 1029 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit after tax increased 13.7% year on year. If you see profit before tax, it was increased 30.5%, but profit after tax was increased only 13.7%. We need to find the reason. Here they paid high current tax. Due to that one, profit after tax was decreased. Here we have earning per share. Previous year they got 45 rupees 15 pice. This year 51 rupees 02 pice. Here 6 rupees was increased. This is positive sign. Later we will check quarter on quarter, that means comparing with December with September. In September quarter, they got 9,473 crores. In December quarter, 9,827 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 3.7 percentage quarter on quarter increase. Later, earning before interest and tax, previous year 1248 crores. This year 1462 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 17.1 percentage quarter on quarter increase. Later, profit before tax, previous year 260 crores. This year 1363 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 8.1 percentage quarter on quarter increase. Later, net profit after tax, in September quarter 963 crores. This quarter 1029 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 6.7 percentage quarter on quarter increase. What we understood based on year results and quarter results. Here revenue, EBITDA, profit before tax was increased very high, but profit after tax was decreased comparing with profit before tax. Why means they paid high current tax. If you compare quarter on quarter results with year on year, they got less results, but we'll ignore quarter on quarter results. We'll give more importance to year on year results. That means Hero MotoCorp got good results year on year. Here we have few important points. Third point, during the quarter ended December 31st, 2020, the company has invested 90 crores as part of capital contribution in associate company Aether Energy Private Limited, taking cumulative invest to 504.58 crores. That means this quarter they spent 90 crores in associate company Aether Energy Private Limited. Up to now they spent 504 crores. They will get good returns in the future due to this investment. This is positive sign. Here we have one more point. Directors has considered and approved interim dividend, that is 65 rupees per equity share. Further, the board has also declared a special interim dividend of 100 crores, that is rupees 5 per equity share. That means in February they declared 70 rupees as dividend. This is positive sign. We'll check how much dividend they declared in financial 21. In July 2020, they declared 25 rupees and now declared 70 rupees. 70 plus 25, that means 95 rupees in financial 2021. Previous year, they declared 97 rupees. This year, 95 rupees. That means 2 rupees decrease. Here we have one more point. The group's operations and financial results for the quarter ended June 30, 2020 were adversely impacted by the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic and the consequent lockdown in various geographies. So, due to lockdown, in June quarter, they got bad results. This is June 30, 2020 results. If you see the profit after tax, here they got only 57 crores profit. But in June 30, 2019, they got 1256 crores. If you compare this profit with previous year, approximately 200 crores profits was reduced. So, this June quarter profits was affected EPS. Here management view on this quarter results. So here Hero MotoCorp records its highest ever revenue for any quarter. This is positive point. It declares interim dividend of 65 rupees per share and special dividend of 100 crore to mark achievement of 100 million cumulative production. Here we have one more point. This has been possible thanks to the robust sales volume during the quarter and combination of key strategic initiatives such as cost reduction of efforts to partially offset the impact of the commodity costs and intense operational efficiencies. Due to these activities, Hero MotoCorp got good results in December quarter. So here we have one more point. Going forward, we expect input costs to remain under pressure due to the rising prices of commodities and fuel. This is negative point for Hero MotoCorp in the future. The price increase on our range of products that we undertook from January 1 will partially offset these cost pressures. We will continue to focus on driving cost savings and take judicious price increase if and when necessary. That means here they expect input costs to remain under pressure due to the rising prices of commodities and fuel. So they may increase prices of their products in the future. Now we will discuss valuation of Hero MotoCorp. PE before results is 27.2. PE after results is 26. They got good results in December quarter. Pros are good year-on-year results, zero debt, undervalued based on previous year PE in the current market conditions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.